Today, Dr. Harry will be speaking to us about 8 simple ways to help you feel younger. Please help me welcome Dr. Udine Harry.
The first thing that can sabotage health, we know, is stress, right? Stress has a huge impact on our health. The Center for Disease Control tells us that stress is responsible for 75% of doctors' visits.
Dry skin, premature wrinkling, acne, again when you're out of balance, low estrogen, higher testosterone, osteoporosis. We definitely know that women at an increased risk of osteoporosis when they hit menopause.
Being overweight creates inflammation in the body. And the fat cells themselves, we think of fat cells as just kind of lying there and just being unattractive. Well, they do a lot more than that. They actually start creating some substances that can inflame the body.
So, I know signs that you may be stressed. Okay, are you married? You could be stressed. Do you have children? You may be a little bit stressed.
You start with eating the right types of foods. Hippocrates tells us, let food be your medicine and medicine be your food. And basically, my interpretation of what he meant by that is that food is the foundation of everything. And foods can hurt you or foods can help you. So when you're eating a lot of sugars, sugars are inflammatory, they decrease.
And do you feel like everybody's an idiot or they're just really trying to irritate you? If you're starting to feel like that, there's some stress going on. It's like, why is everybody so stupid? Why can't they get it? You're a little stressed.
Or be complex. Drink a lot of water. And watch my sugar intake.
All good things, because all of those things get affected in menopause and perimenopause. They all get affected. High sugar food.
Living younger is really about what you do to take care of yourself. So your goal should not only be just to lose weight, although that's a nice incentive, but it should also be to get healthy as well. I'm talking about all hormones. I'm talking about thyroid hormones. I'm talking about insulin hormones. I'm talking about adrenal hormones. All of those hormones are important. And when you have low thyroid, your thoughts can become foggy, you can't think clearly. I know you think that's like over 40, you can't think clearly, but it might be your hormone as well. You can get a little puffiness in the skin as well. So sometimes I can look at people and say, I think their thyroid is off because the skin color changes, around the eye changes. They have a certain
perimenopause, it means the time around menopause. So you can actually start going through some hormonal changes, sometimes up to about 5 years before you actually go through menopause. Some women even start experiencing symptoms about 6 to 7 years before. So what's your image of menopause? Anybody? What do you think when somebody says menopause to you, what comes to mind?
So when you have a hysterectomy, this sends you directly to menopause?
If you have your ovaries removed, it can absolutely shut.
So does that mean that you end your menopause a little earlier?
It might, but sometimes it doesn't. Oh, yeah, she's like, hot flash. There's so many things. If you've got mild to moderate hot flashes and you've got